In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enter your details in the PlanMyGarden service so you can get your own customized garden plan. The first step is to enter your zip code. After entering your zip code, you'll be presented with your last frost date. This is the last expected frost date where a lot of planting is going to be done around. If your zip code is not supported, check the FAQ at the top right. The next step is to draw your garden layout. You'll be presented with a grid. Each box represents 1 square foot. So you're going to draw your garden in this grid. Keep in mind that north is up, so while you're drawing your garden layout, draw it as if you were looking at your garden with the north facing up. So for example, let's say I have a 4x4 raised bed. I'm going to select the boxes to represent that raised bed. I'm going to select 16 boxes. At the bottom of the chart, it shows that I selected 16 square feet. Let's say I have a 4x8 raised bed. Now another trick is you can select a box, hold the shift key, and click arrange. So here, I'm going to draw out a 4x8 raised bed. It selected all those boxes automatically for me. So now I have a total of 48 square feet selected. Now if you had a really large garden, for example a 20 by 30, you can increase the area here. So let's do a 30 by 20. Then we're going to select the first square, we're going to click shift, and then we're going to click the last box, and that's a 20 by 30 dimension. And now let's say we want to account for the walking space. So let's say between every 4 square feet we have a walking aisle. So then we can uncheck all those by clicking shift. There. And that's how you would draw your area from a large in-ground garden. And that's a total of 510 square feet. Now going back to our smaller example, we're ready to now select what we want to grow. So moving to step 3, we're going to select all of the vegetables or herbs that we want to grow. So I'm going to select first tomato. And I'm going to select 10 square feet that I want to allocate out of my 48 square feet. Once I type in 10, it's going to reduce my total available space, and it's going to tell me that I'm going to be growing 10 tomato plants. I'm going to add another vegetable. Let's go with beans. So for beans, I'm going to do 5 square feet, and it's going to show me I'm going to have a total of 45 plants. It knows how many plants can be grown for each square foot, and it does that multiplication. Let's then select peppers, another 10 square feet of peppers. We're going to select some carrots, some kale, and some Swiss chard. And then we're going to select some cucumbers with the remaining 4 square feet. So the available space is 0 square feet. We've selected all of the plants that we want to grow, and now we can submit. You'll type your first name, then you type your last name, and an email. Then you'll receive the option to pay through PayPal. Upon payment, you'll receive a success notification. Then you'll receive your plan within 24 hours. Includes part 1. In part 2, we're going to walk through how to use your new garden plan.